Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on TikTok how to share your TikTok account with somebody using the My TikTok code. Now, the My TikTok code is similar to a QR code, except that it's different. It's only used within the app. And once you do this, what you'll be able to do from now on, if you meet somebody and you want to share your account with them, you can easily do it. It only takes a few seconds and it will work flawlessly. So let's just go straight into it, guys. So the first thing you want to do, guys, is just go ahead and launch TikTok. Now once you're in TikTok, make sure you're on your profile. So if you're anywhere else, go ahead and click on the me bottom section of the corner here with the profile icon. Once you do that, guys, go straight ahead and tap on the three dots upper right. You're gonna go to manage account. And from here, you're going to go into My TikTok. Now, My TikTok will show the code. The code on screen is mine. Now, the trick here is that you can actually save the code to your camera roll from here if you want to. I've already done that. And of course, if you want to scan yours or scan somebody else's, just go ahead and tap this. It will scan for the code. There's no code here. Now, please note that you will always need to use this scanner here whenever you're scanning TikTok. It's a special scanner and it only works with TikToks. All right. If you try to use a regular QR code scanner, it will not work. So do not try to use a regular QR code to scan this, as this is very limited to only to TikTok. So you'd have to use a scanner here to scan another one of these. Or of course you can save the code here or show somebody this up here. They'll be able to scan and find your account. All right. So let's get straight into it. I'll show you what it looks like once it's saved. All right, so as you can see here, guys, this is mine from the gallery. I'm now in the gallery and you can see mine. And of course, for this, I've sent it over to my other smartphone. So I'm just going to show you this on my other phone. All right, so here's the code on this phone. I've sent it over. And to show you that it only works with the built-in scanner, let's show you, for example, let's say I had this save and I'm going to show a friend. Let's get straight into what I have to do. So if I tap here, all I have to do is just come back in here, find back this section and hit scan. Check this out, guys. If I scan the code. All right, so let me just scan the code. There you go. Check that out. It has found my profile. So it works as simple as that, similar to a QR code. But remember, you have to use the scanner on, or that's within TikTok. All right. Alright guys, so that's it basically. You know, to share the your TikTok account with that special QR code. You can print it onto a shirt, you can do it, share it with friends, it doesn't matter. It works similar to a QR code. Alright guys, Ricardo Gardner from Blog Tech Tips. Saying bye until next time. Bye guys.